Hey everybody, it's Jeremiah with Red Team Security Training. Today is a very special day. As some of you may know, I am in the process of getting a book published all about physical red teaming and physical red team operations. It's kind of a physical only sort of book. A while ago, my team and I at Red Team Security were filmed as part of a mini documentary that was done by Tech Insider, Business Insider. And as a result of that, been doing some training and recently wrote a book. So today I kind of wanted to do a sort of an unboxing, if you will. I just got my proof in the mail from the publisher, and I'm going to open it now, see how it looks. So I just thought maybe you guys might want to get an idea of how this may look. Hopefully things turn out the right way, but here goes nothing, right? So here it is. Hope the light's very good there. Physical red team operations, physical penetration testing with the Red Team OPSEC methodology. So here it is. This is the proof that I got. I guess what I'm supposed to do is just kind of give it a once over, if you will, kind of see what the back and cover and approve of all the placement of the text to make sure it's all there. And it looks like it's all there. Yeah. Got a nice matte finish. You probably can't tell. There's no gloss to it. It's fine. All right, there's the back. Pretty snazzy. So anyway, this is going to be available, provided everything looks good here. It's going to be available. Today is August 22nd. Probably within the next coming weeks, there might be a couple of tweaks that we might do to it. I think everything looks okay. Yeah, maybe a couple things need to be moved around a little bit, but there's a sneak peek. There we go. It's about, let's see, at last count, 342 pages worth of really good content. Hopefully it's all there. Looks like it is. I've got to get it, one more look through, but there it is. Physical red team operations. This is a physical security only for those interested in conducting physical red team operations, predominantly almost entirely on the physical security side. So we go through what I've developed is the Red Team OPSEC methodology, which is a consistent, repeatable methodology for conducting physical red team operations. It's all in here. So hopefully you get a chance to kind of see what it's all about here in the next coming weeks. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit redteamsecuritytraining.com. Again, redteamsecuritytraining.com. There'll be a link to purchase this. I'll also post it on Facebook and everything, YouTube once all this other stuff comes out. There is going to be some downloadable files in here and a nice little surprise in the book as well. I think we're up to maybe about 5-6 different downloadable files that kind of go along with this, some templates, some other resources that I didn't quite get to do in my last book, the Social Engineers Playbook. If you're interested in learning more about social engineering, check out the Social Engineers Playbook, Practical Guide to Pretexting. It's my first book. This one's the latest though. So hopefully everything's here and we'll get a chance to get it published and available predominantly on Amazon, but through Barnes & Noble and other bookstores, brick and mortars as well. So here it is. Thanks for sharing the unboxing with me, if you will, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you.